Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Google's latest budget offering, the Pixel 8a.
This phone promises a lot of features usually found in more expensive models, so let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Starting with the design,
the Pixel 8a follows the familiar Pixel aesthetic with a plastic back that surprisingly feels premium.
It's available in some eye-catching colors like aloe green and bay blue, which add a touch of personality.
The design scores high for its ergonomic feel and durability.
Moving on to the display, we have a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate.
It's bright, vibrant, and handles daily tasks like video streaming and gaming with ease. While it doesn't match the brightness of some competitors, it's perfectly adequate for most environments.
Under the hood, the Pixel 8a packs Google's own Tensor G3 chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM. In performance benchmarks, it holds up well against more expensive phones in its category.
Whether you're multitasking or gaming, the Pixel 8a offers a smooth experience.
Google's Android 14 shines on the Pixel 8a, delivering a clean, user-friendly interface. It's packed with Google's latest AI features, enhancing tasks like photo editing and voice transcription. The promise of 7 years of Android updates ensures longevity and security, a big plus for future-proofing. Now, onto the cameras.
The Pixel 8a features a 64-megapixels main sensor and a 13-megapixels ultra-wide lens. While it doesn't quite match the higher-end Pixels in camera quality, it still produces sharp, detailed photos in various lighting conditions.
Google's AI enhancements further elevate the photography experience. Battery life is where the Pixel 8a falls slightly short.
With a 4,492 mAh battery, it's decent but doesn't quite last as long as some competitors.
It supports 18W fast charging, which helps in quickly topping up the battery when needed. So, should you consider buying the Pixel 8a? Absolutely.
It offers incredible value for its price point, providing a solid combination of design, performance, and Google's unparalleled software experience. If you're a fan of clean Android interfaces and want long-term software support, the Pixel 8a is a fantastic choice in the budget segment. That wraps up our review of the Google Pixel 8a. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.